Hello friends, welcome to Daily Skills. Today I am going to tell you about how to maintain a first aid kit when you are traveling or you are at home. We need a first aid kit so that we can handle any emergency situation with our basic knowledge and advanced preparation.
So friends, first of all, we need to decide the size of our first aid kit. If you are traveling alone, you can go with this small and handy first aid kit. When you are traveling with your family or in a group, you can go with this flexible and standard first aid kit. And now the last one, which can store all your medicines and other equipments. Before giving first aid, we need to ensure hygiene to avoid infection by keeping hand gloves, face mask, wipes and pocket sanitizer. Then comes a few equipments that will help us to analyze the situation with technical accuracy by using pulse oximeter, thermometer, blood pressure monitor, glucose meter, etc. After comforting the patient, we will need further equipments in our first aid kit like emergency light, ruler, tweezer, safety pins, paper tapes, thread, mini Swiss knife, surgical blade, scissor, extra cash, hairband, earbuds and toothpick, fire lighter, insect repellent, tissue paper, sterilized cloth, and mini first aid guide. Let's take a closer look to all the equipments we have till now in our first aid kit. The next part comes with the things that can be used for external treatment. Antiseptic liquid, pain relief spray and ointment, elastic adhesive bandage, cotton crepe bandage, band-aid, sterilized needle suture, dusting powder, antiseptic ointment, toothpaste, oral rehydration salt, cotton bandage, and cotton wool.
So, before we talk about medicines, let me tell you I am not a doctor, neither I am recommending any specific medicine name in this video. I strongly recommend you to please consult a doctor before preparing your own first aid kit.
Now comes the list of oral medications that we need to have in our first aid kit to tackle internal medication, such as allergy, painkiller for extreme pain, stomachache, diarrhea, constipation, indigestion, vomiting, acidity, common cold, fever, muscle pain, coughing, antibiotic, gas formation, inflammation, infection, headache. Beyond this, always keep your complementary medicines and equipments if you have a history of medical ailments such as migraine, diabetes, some kind of heart problem, blood pressure issues, or asthma. Just don't be shy in keeping sanitary pads and pregnancy test kits in your first aid kit as well. Please pay special attention on expiry dates of medicines because you may lose them while taking medicines. For this, you may paste such tags on all your medicines. You must also keep your health card either handy or accessible in digital form.
So friends, if you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Daily Skills. Thank you.